When it comes to cattle, goats, or sheep, while everyone agrees the merits of castration far outweigh the negatives, the best way to do it is still the subject of some dispute. Some say surgical castration is the best method, but it's risky for both the person performing the procedure and the animal. It's painful, and bleeding can cause death. With elastrator rings and other ligation methods, it's difficult to achieve proper tension, leading to failures and complications. And Burdizzo castration is extremely painful, the process difficult to perform, and the outcomes inconsistent. With all of these methods, there's a downside. Callicrate Banders. Put the controversy to rest by choosing the only easy-to-perform method that's humane, bloodless, and drug-free. For 3 decades, Callicrate Banders, Smart, Wee, and Pro have been preferred methods of castration. Using the Callicrate Smart Bander couldn't be easier. Simply load the loop into the Callicrate Smart Bander, apply above the testicles, ratchet till proper tension is achieved, and you're done. Anyone can do it. Callicrate Banders are humane, bloodless, and drug-free. You always get proper tension. They can be used regardless of weather conditions. You can castrate at a later age to optimize growth, giving you the option to forego implants. They can even be used to dehorn, treat prolapses, and more. The Callicrate Wee Bander is the only system for younger livestock that applies tension, avoiding the problem of ring slippage, which results in incomplete castration. The latest addition to the Callicrate lineup is the lightweight, no crimping required Callicrate Pro Bander. The time-saving, convenient built-in cutter cuts the loops quickly and correctly with perfect results every time. No more reaching for the cutter, and no more lost cutters. Get the benefits of easy, consistent castration without the complications with Callicrate Banders. Find the Callicrate Bander distributor in your corner of the world. Have questions? Feel free to contact us, and please share this message with anyone who owns livestock. Thanks.